Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It is me, Bailey, and today I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup routine thing. This is a super natural makeup look, and it's just what I've kind of been doing the last, few months of school. It's currently fourth quarter, and I know it's kind of late to be posting school type of videos, but this is just my everyday makeup routine, so I hope you guys like it. It only takes me about 5 to 7 minutes to do each morning, so you know, if you guys need any help becoming quicker at doing your makeup in the morning because you don't have any time, like I don't have any time, then keep on watching. I hope I can help you guys out a little bit, and if you guys don't wear makeup or you don't need help with your routine, then still watch it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so my first step whenever I'm doing anything with my face, either it's skincare or makeup or literally anything, I put my hair up. So it's nothing special, not very cute, but it gets the job done. So the next thing is some skincare stuff. I know it's hard when you're in a time crunch and you're getting ready for school or you're getting ready for work or whatever it is and you need to do your makeup fast. It's hard to incorporate skincare, but it is very important. So I always try to do some skincare before doing my makeup. So I either go in with my rose or my cucumber Mario Badescu spray. If you've been watching me for a while and you've seen my other makeup videos or things where I get ready, I spray this stuff on my face so much. I love it. I just feel so refreshed when I do it. So I pick one of these and then I spray it on my face. Now keep in mind, I have already washed my face. I wash my face in my bathroom when I brush my teeth, and then I get dressed, and then makeup is the last thing I do in the morning, so my face is freshly washed. The next thing I do is go in with this First Aid Beauty eye detox roller, and I have really bad under eye bags in the morning, so I just roll this on my eyes, and it's very cold, so it just you know, it just makes me feel refreshed. And then I go in with my Neutrogena Hydraboost Moisturizer, and I just grab a little bit of that and rub it in. I avoid my under eye right away until that stuff soaks in a little bit, and then I'll just kind of go all over. I have really dry skin, so I never skip moisturizing, literally never, never, ever, ever. Are we looking good? Are we looking good yet? Okay. Next up is a primer. I use the Professional or really any primer that I just pull out of my primer drawer, and I focus it on my nose and under my eyes because that's really the only place that I wear cream makeup. Then I go in and conceal, so I usually use the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. It's just the only one that I find works with my skin in the winter because, like I said 8 times already, my skin is so dry, and this doesn't accentuate the fact that my skin is super dry. So the places that I put it are under my eyes, in that little place, on my nose, and then kind of just around my mouth. That's literally it. So up close, here it is. And then I take my Real Techniques sponge, and I never have time to get this wet in the morning, so I just go in with it dry. Sometimes I'll spray it, but I really don't think it matters that much. And then I just dab really, really quick. Okay, so my concealer looks like it's all blended in now, but just to make sure, I really quickly just go over it like this because I don't want no streaks even if we don't got time. Okay, so the next step is to set my concealer. So I either go in with a loose powder like this one, or my Laura Mercier, or my Coty Airspun, but recently I've actually been going in with just some Rimmel Stay Matte powder. So I just kind of take the end of my sponge and just rub it in there, and then just dab, and then I just go wherever I put concealer. And then I go in with some bronzer usually. Sometimes I skip this step and I just do concealer and then go in with mascara, but most days I try to put bronzer on because I'm very pale in the winter time and I hate it. So this is it for face makeup. Some days if I have a little bit extra time, I'll go in with blush and highlight, but I don't think that's necessary. I don't like wearing that much makeup, so now I spray it again with my Mario Badescu. Or some days I'll use an actual setting spray like this Urban Decay Chill one, but I usually just use Mario Badescu because I'm in love with it. And then if I feel like it and I have time, I'll do my eyebrows. My eyebrows honestly are pretty good without filling them in. They have no product in them, and I think they look really good. But if there's any sparse parts, I'll just literally run this little goof-proof Benefit eyebrow pencil through it really, really fast. Whenever I do my eyebrows, it's never intense. I literally just run this through it a few times and I call it a day. Now the last step is mascara and eyelashes. So I go in with an eyelash curler like this one, and I just curl my eyelashes really quick. This is what my eyelashes look like before mascara. They're pretty short, but love that for me. I use a bunch of different mascaras. Really, as long as it's one of my top like 5 favorite, it works the same. I usually use a mixture of 2, so I'm gonna go in with this Tarte Gifted mascara and this what is this? I don't even know. The L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. So I'm gonna go in with the Tarte one first because this is not waterproof, and then the L'Oreal one is waterproof. I like using waterproof mascara because my eyelashes don't stay curled if it's not waterproof. Really fast, usually like 2 coats of this and then 1 coat of the L'Oreal stuff. Okay guys, once I'm done with the mascara, which usually takes me about 30-45 seconds only, like I literally just like go in. My eyelashes usually look really crappy at school, but it's fine. The last step in my makeup routine is some lip balm. I've been into this Smith stuff. I got it from Sephora. And I like it because it's not just like a regular chapstick, more glossy, if that makes sense. Okay, we're done. I end up spraying this probably again, honestly. That's it. Alright you guys, so this is it for my everyday makeup routine tutorial thing. I don't really time myself in the morning, but I think it takes like 5 minutes for me to do each day. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also, leave me some comments of videos that you guys want to see in the future because I've been kind of in a slump lately and I don't know what to make, and it's kind of an issue. This is ice, in case you were wondering. Yeah, follow my Instagram and I'll see you next time. Bye!